Hey everybody, welcome to September 21st. Today is going to be a pretty simple day. You have two different things you're going to be doing. It's my preview day for this section. First, we're going to take a quiz right here over Jamestown and Plymouth. Pretty simple. And then after that, you're going to go here, which is it's called Active Classroom. It's a thing we'll use occasionally throughout the year. And it's basically a bunch of charts and graphs and maps, and you'll kind of look at them to figure out exactly what's going on. Once you're done, make sure you submit it within Active Classroom, and then you are going to turn it in, and then it's automatically turned in. As always, if you have any questions, comments, and/or concerns, go ahead and let me know, and we'll take a look at it. Thanks a lot.